the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. This reflects the high importance that Pakistan attaches to its special relationship with Saudi Arabia, which is historic in nature and strategic in significance. I am grateful to the Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia, His Royal Highness Mohammed bin Salman, for his gracious invitation for the visit. Pakistan and Saudi Arabia are bound by deep-rooted and abiding fraternal ties, which are built on the solid foundation of mutual trust and mutual support. The people of Pakistan hold the custodian of the two holy mosques in the highest esteem. We are profoundly grateful to Saudi Arabia for its consistent support to Pakistan in its difficult hours, and will always stand shoulder to shoulder with our Saudi brethren. The visionary Saudi leadership of Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman has worked assiduously to achieve greater progress and prosperity for the brotherly people of Saudi Arabia. We take pride in the remarkable development achieved by Saudi Arabia within the framework of the Crown Prince's Vision 2030, which is a transformational initiative. We also commend the Kingdom's leadership of the Muslim Ummah and for its deep commitment to Muslim causes. I look forward to my interaction with the Saudi leadership to review our multifaceted bilateral cooperation and to take this special relationship to unknown heights. I would also like to convey my sincere good wishes to the Pakistani expatriates in the Kingdom who have always contributed enormously to the economic development of Pakistan. They are a key partner in further fortifying Pakistan-Saudi brotherly relations. Long live Pakistan-Saudi Brotherhood, Pakistan-Saudi Dosti Zindabad.
ताज़ा तरीन वीडियोस के लिए हमारा YouTube चैनल सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन प्रेस करिए ताकि आपको मिले हर अपडेट सबसे पहले।